Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna do a quick little video for you guys on how to properly fit your threadless body jewelry. So right here we have our post and then we have our gem, okay? Now our post is gonna be a little hollow hole in it, and our gem is gonna have a straight stem on it, okay? So what I wanna do is I wanna take my gem and insert it into the post. Okay, and as you can see, if I push it all the way, there's no resistance. There's nothing keeping that in there from falling out. So what I want to do is I want to just barely set it in, just the tip of it, okay? And I'm going to kink it ever so slight, just ever so slight. And what that does, if I go and put it back in, gives it just enough tension now to hold it in place. If you want to stay a little bit tighter, you can kink it a little bit more. A little bit looser, you kink it a little bit less. Okay, now just remember, when you go to do this, you insert in the hole, and just barely the tip of it, you're gonna kink or bend, okay? Take it back out, put it back in the hole, press it in there, and you'll feel it going there really tight and snug. That's all you guys wanna do. So hopefully that helped you guys out on how to properly fit your new threadless body jewelry. As always guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.